On a summer morning in 1977, humanity launched Voyager 2, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. This spacecraft wasn't just a machine, it was our emissary, sent to explore the unknown and carry our story beyond the stars. Voyager 2's mission, a grand tour of the outer solar system, made possible by a rare planetary alignment that happens only once every 176 years. It would visit Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, worlds that, until then, were just distant points of light. Packed with cameras and sensors, Voyager 2 became our eyes and ears in the cold, dark reaches of space. But it also carried a golden record, a time capsule of Earth sounds, music, and greetings in 55 languages, a hopeful gesture to any who might find it. As Voyager 2 lifted off, it carried not just instruments, but the dreams and curiosity of an entire planet. Powered by plutonium, it was built to last decades, venturing far beyond the familiar lights of our solar system. This was more than science. It was a leap of faith, a testament to our desire to understand our place in the universe. Voyager 2's journey was a bold statement. We are here, and we want to learn. It was the beginning of one of humanity's greatest stories of exploration. Our message in a bottle, set adrift among the stars. And so began our adventure into the unknown. Voyager 2's path was a masterclass in celestial mechanics. Instead of brute force, it used gravity assists, slingshotting around planets to gain speed and change course. First stop, Jupiter, 1979. Voyager 2 revealed the Great Red Spot's true scale, discovered new moons, and found a faint ring system. It showed us Io's volcanic fury, an active world unlike any we'd imagined. Next, Saturn in 1981. Its rings, once thought simple, were revealed as intricate dynamic rivers of ice shaped by tiny moons. Titan's thick nitrogen-rich atmosphere hinted at complex chemistry. Then uncharted territory, Uranus in 1986, a tilted blue-green world with a bizarre magnetic field and icy moons. Finally Neptune in 1989, home to the Great Dark Spot and supersonic winds, and Triton, a moon with icy geysers. Each flyby rewrote our textbooks, showing us that the outer solar system was alive with surprises. Voyager 2's planetary billiards game was a triumph of ingenuity and curiosity, and with each slingshot it ventured further into the unknown. Voyager 2's discoveries went beyond stunning images. They revealed the hidden forces shaping our solar system. At Jupiter, it mapped a magnetosphere so vast it would dwarf the full moon in our sky, a cosmic particle accelerator in our backyard. Saturn's rings, once thought static, were found to be sculpted by shepherd moons, a gravitational ballet in ice and dust. Uranus, seemingly calm, hit a wildly tilted off-center magnetic field, creating a chaotic dance with the solar wind. Neptune's moon Triton, at the solar system's edge, was geologically alive, spewing icy geysers despite the frigid darkness. These findings shattered our assumptions. Even in the coldest, most distant places, worlds could be dynamic and surprising. Voyager 2 taught us that the universe is more creative than we ever imagined. The gas giants whispered secrets of gravity, magnetism, and geology, reminding us how much we still have to learn. Each discovery was a new question, echoing across the void. The cosmos, it seemed, was just getting started. After Neptune, Voyager 2's mission changed. It became our first interstellar explorer. It sailed through the heliosphere, the sun's protective bubble, toward the edge of our solar system. Scientists watched for signs of crossing the heliopause, where the solar wind yields to the interstellar medium. In November 2018, more than 11 billion miles from Earth, Voyager 2 crossed that boundary. Its instruments recorded a sharp drop in solar particles and a surge in galactic cosmic rays. Humanity's probe had entered interstellar space, a historic, silent milestone. Now, Voyager 2 measures the density and pressure of the interstellar medium, tasting the stuff from which stars are born. It's our only witness to this new realm, sending back data from a place no other human-made object has reached. Its journey teaches us about the environment our solar system travels through as it orbits the Milky Way. Voyager 2 is a lonely sentinel sending postcards from the great unknown. Each transmission expands our understanding of the galaxy beyond our sun. The adventure continues far from home. For years, Voyager 2 sent back steady data from the interstellar void, until something changed. In late 2024, its plasma wave system detected a subtle, persistent silence. A specific frequency of plasma hum began to fade. It wasn't a sudden drop, but a gradual, precise dampening, like a room growing quieter, soundproofed by something unseen. This was a void within the void, a silence that absorbed energy instead of emitting it. In a universe of explosive events, this was a phenomenon of absence, a negative signal, a shadow cast by something invisible. The effect was faint, localized, and unlike anything seen before. It hinted at a new type of physics or matter, something that didn't fit our models of the interstellar medium. The silence was a mystery, a cosmic whisper that challenged our understanding of the space between stars. It was a reminder, even in emptiness, the universe can surprise us. Voyager 2 had stumbled upon a puzzle as profound as any discovery before. Sometimes the quietest signals speak the loudest. The cosmos had given us a new riddle to solve. At first, the silence seemed like a glitch. Voyager 2 is nearly half a century old, its instruments aging. The plasma wave system's faint signal could have been dismissed as sensor failure. But diagnostics showed the spacecraft was healthy. The anomaly was real. The signal was buried in decades of data, easy to overlook or filter out. It took a meticulous graduate student combing through raw data to spot the trend. The dampening followed a precise curve, growing stronger as Voyager 2 moved deeper into a specific region. Unlike random instrument noise, this effect was narrow and consistent. Something out there was tuned to absorb that exact frequency. Cross-checks with Voyager 1, in a different part of space, showed no such effect. This was a localized, invisible phenomenon, completely new. It forced scientists to reconsider what the void could hide. Sometimes the universe's most important clues are found in the quietest corners. The discovery was a lesson in the value of listening to the silence. The cosmos doesn't have to be loud to be profound. Theories about the silence quickly multiplied. Some suggest a new kind of interstellar cloud, filaments of unknown particles, invisible but perfectly tuned to absorb plasma waves. Others propose exotic physics, perhaps a higher dimensional brain predicted by string theory is brushing against our universe, subtly dampening energy. Dark matter is another candidate. Maybe it forms invisible structures that interact with plasma in ways we've never seen. The most speculative idea, this is evidence of intelligence, an artifact or byproduct of advanced technology, not a natural phenomenon. It could be the wake of a vast interstellar craft, or a massive energy field built by a civilization far beyond our own. The silence might be the first direct sign that we are not alone in building things that last. Whatever the cause, Voyager 2's discovery has opened a new frontier of questions. The universe, it seems, is stranger than we dared imagine, and the search for answers has only just begun. Whatever this silent mystery is, Voyager 2's journey has already changed us. This aging probe, built with 1970s technology, is a symbol of our curiosity and hope. It reminds us that the universe is not a solved puzzle. Every answer brings new questions. Voyager 2 is more than a machine. It's our senses reaching into the dark, inspiring new generations to wonder. From billions of miles away, Earth is just a pale blue dot, a fragile stage in a vast cosmic arena. That perspective is Voyager's greatest legacy, a mirror showing us our unity and our responsibility to protect our home. As Voyager 2 drifts onward, carrying its golden record, it may one day fall silent, but its legacy will endure, echoing in every new discovery and every dream of exploration. It has shown us the wonders of our solar system and given us our first taste of the galaxy beyond. Now it brings us face to face with a new cosmic mystery, a quiet puzzle that beckons us to keep listening. Voyager 2 is our silent ambassador to the stars, proof that even a small voice from Earth can echo across the cosmos. Our journey of discovery has only just begun.